Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? We got something really cool today. Jim just found this down in Miami. It is a vintage exit light, Art Deco exit light that you would have seen on some type of building. Kind of meant to be hung up on the wall. But it's got all the classic Art Deco design, a really nice can. You've got metal sidings. This is all etched glass, which pops out, by the way, if for some reason you want it to, I'm not gonna do that because I'm not doing it too well. If you want to put your own sign in it, it would be set. But if you're into something cool for your building or your exhibit, you want something, or want to turn this in your own custom sign, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.